very crazy question for you. Can you make diesel out of plastics?
The process of making diesel from plastic involves a series of intricate steps that aim to transform plastic waste into a valuable energy resource while addressing environmental concerns.
Initially, plastic waste is collected and sorted to remove any non-plastic materials like labels and contaminants. The clean plastic is then subjected to a thermal depolymerization process where it is heated to high temperatures in an oxygen-free environment. This heat-driven process breaks down the long chains of polymers in the plastic into smaller hydrocarbon molecules, which are the building blocks of diesel fuel. The resulting mixture of hydrocarbons is then condensed, cooled, and further refined to remove impurities and adjust the properties of the diesel fuel. This refining step is crucial to ensure that the produced diesel meets the required quality standards and has a composition suitable for use as fuel. While the process offers a solution to plastic waste disposal and contributes to reducing landfill accumulation, it's important to consider the environmental implications. Energy consumption during the depolymerization process and the emissions associated with refining and burning the produced diesel should be carefully managed to minimize the overall environmental impact.
And now, what if we share with you a remarkable innovation that holds the potential to revolutionize our approach to sustainability, the art of making papers out of plastic?
You would think of it to be impossible, right? In a world grappling with plastic pollution, this breakthrough not only addresses a pressing environmental concern but also offers a multitude of benefits.
Picture this. Plastic waste, a ubiquitous challenge, transformed into a valuable resource, paper. This cutting-edge process involves breaking down of plastic into its fundamental components and reconstituting them into paper by the addition of cellulose that in our case is extracted from wheat stubble, mirroring the traditional paper making technique. What makes this truly remarkable is its capacity to curtail the needs for the conventional tree-based paper production. This, in turn, mitigates deforestation, safeguarding our ecosystems and the biodiversity they house. However, the advantages extend far beyond conservation. Crafting paper from plastic translates into significantly reduced greenhouse gas emissions compared to the conventional paper manufacturing. The energy-intensive processes associated with logging, pulping, and transportation are minimized, resulting in a smaller carbon footprint. This transition to plastic-based paper aligns seamlessly with our environmental aspirations, advancing our fight against climate change. Our initiative stands on majorly 5 sustainable developmental goals set up by the United Nations. First comes the goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. Next comes goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. It also follows goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, along with goal number 12 and 13 being responsible consumption and production and climate action respectively.
In conclusion, the evolution of making paper from plastic underscores human innovation in the face of environmental challenges. By converting plastic waste into a paper resource and fuel, we address plastic pollution, conserve our forests, and shrink our ecological